to open it. It's hard to get conveyed though.
If you're rejected,
However, it's challenging with love here. It is safe to get close to the takeoff point to say hi. After flight, it is clear. Hi, this video is for who doesn't know anything about paragliding. All kinds of sports have their own problems, and paragliding can't be the exception to the rule. Hope the pilot subscribers help me in the comments to introduce the paragliding's trouble. The first one is putting easy bag or sausage bag in our harness in order to use it after landing. The second one is put on our helmets and check the radio. The most important one is opening and closing the wing, which can be annoying sometimes with its knots in the lines, and often it's hard to get it out of our lines. Sometimes it takes so long and your friends can't wait for you to open it.
خدا حافظ.
And the last one, which is so important, would be joint the speed bands whenever the wind is in a high level. And after a double check, we get ready for takeoff. This site has a high level of energy, which I really want to share with you. It's hard to get conveyed though.
if you're rejected, accept it. If you're unloved, let go. If they choose someone or something over you, move on. Not everyone you love will stay. Not everyone you trust will be loyal. I don't care about losing people who don't want to be in my life anymore. I've lost people who meant the world to me, and I'm still doing just fine. Do not follow the majority. Follow the right way. You can feel it when someone is not being real with you. Energy never lies. Always speak how you feel, and never be sorry for being real. Give people time. Give people space. Don't beg anyone to stay. Let them roam. What's meant for you will always be yours. I feel so much better when people don't know where I am and what I'm doing. You may not be able to control every situation and its outcome, but you can control your attitude and how you deal with it. Do good. It will come back to you in unexpected ways. Be happy with what you have while working for what you want. Remember that some things have to end for better things to begin.
Estalachan is one of the best Gilan's high-level potential sites for XC and rich flying. However, it's challenging. We love here because we have many flights in this site. It is safe to get close to the takeoff point to say hi to your friends.
تا آقا اونجا
and touch and go for gaggles and fly with little eagles. And this is the only recorded experience with eagles for me. I hope fly with them again. It was an awesome experience for me. After flight in a clear blue sky and top landing, I decided to put my camera on a branch of the only tree in the takeoff area. I want to show you the problem of flying in a particular area, especially if we have an air traffic there. Thank you for sharing and subscribing.